Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this hearty Asian beef short ribs recipe. This is a great meal for the fall season. It's so comforting and it'll keep you very warm. So I partnered with Kami to bring you this video. Kami is the key to Asian made easy. They offer a large selection of food products ranging from all types of noodles. For instance, they have rice noodles and stir-fry noodles, which I really love. I personally use the stir-fry noodles in most of my stir-fry recipes. They also provide a full line of oils, sauces, and so much more for you to make restaurant quality Asian meals at home. And while I haven't been using their products for too long, they are a staple in my pantry and I absolutely love them. Kami also kindly sponsored this video, so thank you so much to them. Let's get started. So we're going to start this recipe by prepping the beef short ribs. So I have some beef short ribs here. Make sure you trim off a good amount of the fat on your meat, otherwise the recipe will come out very oily, okay guys? Once you've trimmed off a good amount of the fat, you're going to season with some salt and pepper. Once the meat is seasoned, we're going to build flavor by searing them. So I have my pot heated up over medium-high heat. I'm using the stir-fry oil by Kami to cook the meat. The stir-fry oil can be used for various types of cooking. It's infused with garlic and ginger to boost the flavor of the recipe, and I personally love to use it in my stir-fry recipes. I'm going to pour a little bit into my soup pot. Once the oil gets very hot, I'm going to toss in the meat, making sure I don't overcrowd the pan. If you overcrowd the pan, the meat will not brown properly. I'm searing the meat for 3 minutes on each side or until they develop a nice golden brown color like these. These look so good. Once you've seared all your meat, take them out of the pan and set them aside for later. Next, in the same pan, we're going to saute some minced onions. Cook the onions for about 2 minutes or until they turn translucent. Then we're going to add some minced ginger and garlic. We're also adding some red pepper flakes. Go ahead and mix everything in, then cook for about a minute or until the garlic begins to get fragrant. Next, we're going to add some veggies. I have some carrots and mushrooms going in. Season the veggies with salt and black pepper, then cook them for about 3 minutes or until they soften just a little. Once the veggies have cooked, in order to thicken the sauce, we're going to add some flour. Mix the flour in and cook for 1 minute just to cook out the flour taste. Then add some chicken broth. You can use beef broth if you want. Mix it in and allow the sauce to come to a simmer. Then we're going to add some Tamari sauce from Kami. The Tamari sauce is used as a replacement for soy sauce. It is thicker, richer, and darker than soy sauce. I'm going to pour a good amount in here. Next, I'm adding Hoisin sauce by Kami. This sauce has a little bit of sweet and tangy taste that adds this umami flavor to the recipe, and I personally love to use this in my stir-fry recipes. It's so good. I'm going to add a little bit, a good amount. I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Next ingredient we're adding from Kami is their seasoned rice vinegar. The rice vinegar is one of the most versatile ingredients due to its mild flavoring. It's a great alternative to wine and distilled vinegar. It can even be used to pickle vegetables. Let's go ahead and add a little bit. Next, we're adding sesame oil blend from Kami. The sesame oil is a game changer. It has a nutty aroma and taste that enhances the flavor of the recipe. I'm going to add just a little bit. You don't want to add too much because it can be overpowering. Next, we're going to add some brown sugar, then mix everything together. Once everything is mixed in well, it's time to add the seared beef short ribs. Submerge the meat into the sauce. Then as soon as this comes to a simmer, we're going to place the lid on. Once you place the lid on, go ahead and turn your heat to medium-low and let this slow cook for 2 hours. I will see you after 2 hours. So it's been 2 hours and this is smelling so good. You can serve this over mashed potatoes or noodles or rice if you want. The meat came out so tender. Look at how it falls right off the bone. This is such an amazing meal, especially for fall. It's so comforting and really delicious. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave all details about Kami and their products in the description box. You can also find their products in grocery stores. Thank you so much to Kami for partnering with me today, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon. Bye!